is Jose, and I am the representative of the Provincial Council of Bizkaia.
I'm Thomas Trincado, and I am the CEO of Berba.
I am Carmen Burgo, Marketing Director of Testualia.
So Berba is a crowdsourced translation service / marketplace.
Emerge system is a contactless identification system which provides the most useful information in case of emergency.
So coming to Tel Aviv is like coming to the Silicon Valley of the Middle East.
So I would recommend this program to startups that want to push the company to the global stage and they want to make the vision more international.
As a technological startup, to come to Tel Aviv is a great opportunity to get feedback from one of the most innovative hubs of technology in the world.
I would recommend this program to startups because you get insights and feedback from investors, and also you share impressions with other professionals within the startup ecosystem.
So I would recommend this program to startups that they still don't believe that they can become proper global companies, and they look up to especially like American companies and don't believe that they can become what those American startups became.
I think you'll get one masterclass after another in critical issues for startups in an early stage like us.
It's a brilliant experience. You visit a new country, you know a lot of new people and very interesting people, and it's a new way of growing by yourself. So I would recommend it 100%.
We believe that this is a great opportunity for our startups to come here, open their mind, go global, and we truly believe that this ecosystem is the best option for them.
My favorite session so far was yesterday's growth marketing 3-hour session.
Everybody's like super chill, like people just like, you know, talk to each other and nobody cares where you're from or like what your accent is, or hipster, eco, vegan sort of like vibe that you have in the city.
Apply now to participate in our program and take your company global.
Like this.
Does it need to be just one sentence?
Cut.